5 Keys to Make a Man Fall in Love. Have you ever wondered how these women do to always have a lover around? Far from being suspicious and a little envious, you have asked yourself what is their secret. Beyond beauty, there are infallible techniques to conquer a man. These are 5 ways to make a man fall in love, like those heartbreakers. 1. Look for him, and then try not to be available. As long as the first encounter has not been negative, look for a way to have a fluid contact with him. Phone calls, text messages or occasional encounters. Thus, you will achieve that the interest grows more and more. When you feel his attention is all yours, begin to take distance and be less available. And the reaction will be immediate. We all want what we cannot have, so far from losing interest in you, he will seek you more and be completely yours. 2. Do not do nice things for him all the time. When we do good things for someone, we feel good about ourselves for having shown our feelings. But if we receive attention from someone, in addition to feeling pleasant, some not so sensitive reactions also arise, such as feeling overwhelmed by the excess of interest and the pressure to return the gesture. This happens with many people as if it were a general rule. So if you want a man not to stop thinking about you, just do not show him so much interest, and a little indifference. 3. Look at him. A scientific study said that a couple in love looks at each other for 75% of the time they are together, and find it hard to stop doing so if a third party breaks into the conversation. If you notice that you stare at a boy, it is probably feelings that you still do not know. In the same way, if what you want is to make him fall in love, try to look at him steadily and for long periods of time, and he will feel your interest. 4. Do not look the other way. A complement to the previous technique, the same study asserted that couples in love take longer to look the other way when a third person appears, oblivious to the conversation. If you want to make him fall in love and you already have his attention, this technique also results effective to drive him crazy for you. 5. The test of the pupils. We all know that when something interests us, our pupils dilate even more. Although it is something that cannot be controlled, it can be managed. To do this, reducing the light causes the pupils to expand. The same thing happens when we feel interested in something or someone, they expand, betraying our interest. So, if you want to know if he is interested in you, observe his pupils, and if they are dilated, it is good news. Have you ever put into practice any of these strategies to make a man fall in love? Tell us in the comments your ways to make someone notice you. Source: https://www.vix.com/es. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks. To learn more about 5 keys to make a man fall in love, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the link in the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.